Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, and green color. Kids, now I draw alphabets, and here is red color. A for apple. Kids, I can use red color and draw B for ball. Kids, now I draw C for cat, and here is red color. Kids, I can use red color and draw D for dog. E for elephant. Kids, now I draw F for fish, and here is blue color. G for God. Kids, I can use blue color and draw H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. Kids, now I draw numbers, and first I draw 1, and here is yellow color. O N E 1, 2, T W 2. Kids, now I draw 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids, now I draw 6. The numbers are 6, and here is black color. 7, S E V E and 7. 8, E I G H T 8. 9, N I N E 9. 10, T E N 10. Blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, and green color. Kids, now I draw alphabets, and first I draw A for apple, A for ant, and here is blue color. Kids, I can use blue color and draw B for ball, B for bus. Kids, now I draw C for cat, C for cow. D for dog, D for dog. Kids, I can use blue color and draw E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, I can use blue color and draw G for God, G for glass. Kids, now I draw H for hand, H for helicopter, and here is yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for sugar, J for jackfruit. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now I draw O for orange, O for octopus, and here is black color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, again use black color and draw. S. S for sun. S for snake. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. It's night of V. V for van. V for vanilla. And use red color. W. W for wallet. W for watch. Kids, again use red color and draw. X. X for X-ray. X for telephone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Kids, night of Z. Z for zebra. And Z for zoo. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, black color, blue color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first read of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. 3 T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. Kids, night of 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color. S I X 6. Kids, again use green color and draw. 7 S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. 10 T E N 10. Kids, night 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, night of 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids, I can use blue color and draw. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.